Morning, bee fans. So our little hive is really busy this morning, well this afternoon at least. First nice day we've had in about 2 weeks. I don't know what the temperature is, it's fairly mild, and they're all out and about, obviously foraging on something, otherwise they wouldn't be out and about. Just when you think there's not a lot of stuff out there, they seem to be working quite hard. There's a little bit of spider web at the top there I need to sort out. And the two sitting up there. They're definitely working, they're not just doing a fly around. It's getting a bit of fresh air. Now they're sitting on the roof all over the place. That's pretty cool.